It has become a common sight in the city of Madrid, ambulances coming to rescue severely ill patients who have had to wait to be tested in their homes. For many, by the time they are taken to hospital, it's already developed into pneumonia. COVID-19 is hitting the elderly the hardest. 90% of the deceased are over 60. The rapid rate of infection is straining hospitals to capacity. In this hospital on the outskirts of Madrid, patients wait on the floor. There are no chairs available, let alone beds. This footage was recorded by health workers desperate to highlight the need for more resources.
We're having serious difficulties for treating the patients, a lack of coordination, but also a shortage of staff and on the front line in primary health care, emergencies and ambulances. We need reinforcements now.
With understaffed units and shortages of personal protective equipment, Spain has a high rate of infection among health workers. 12% of COVID-19 cases are among those who have to take care of the others. There are not enough masks and gloves for workers to protect themselves. In Madrid, new field hospitals are being built to cope with the avalanche of patients that are expected in the coming weeks.
This hospital has been built overnight to support the health system in the fight against coronavirus.
It has 5,500 bed capacity, 500 of which will be dedicated to intensive care. They are not waiting for respirators, which will keep their patients breathing.
Hola, buenas tardes, José Ignacio. Hola. Le llamo del servicio de teleasistencia de la Cruz Roja, José.
The Red Cross is warning the elderly and the most vulnerable not to leave home and are delivering parcels of food and basic items to keep them off the street.
People are quite scared, but the only thing we can do is keep on working and giving as much as we can so families can have access to the most basic supplies.
Each night, Spaniards go out to their balconies to show support to the health workers that are fighting the disease in a system stretched to capacity. They are going to need all the help. The disease hasn't peaked yet, and like Pedro Sanchez said, the worst is yet to come. In Madrid, Jaime Velazquez, TRT World.